ngayon, we are vlogging, start and vlogging. So this is our first vlog. And this is our friend, Jaime. And this is our friend, Altia Lucido.
Hi.
This is our friend, Alexa.
He tried to
Turn
light
off
his
the
shoe on
light.
fire mid-flight.
And
but
this
the
is our
attendant
friend,
smelled the
Jade
burning
Marie
mattress and
Binondo.
saw what he was doing.
This is
Passengers and
Fraser
crew
C.
wrestled him to the
Antonite
ground.
Lepitin.
Eventually, he was sedated.
This
And
is
when they
our
checked
friendship
his shoes,
guide. We
they
are
discovered
friends.
a fuse
Oh, this is
sticking out
our
of each
friends.
one.
Rip us
It turned
over.
out it
Click
was
nyo lang yung
something
notification
about
bell para
explosives
updated
to
kayo sa aming
bring
vlog.
down.
At meron po tayo. Kahit ano po yung request gagawin po namin. Basta mag-subscribe lang kayo po sa amin. Okay, thank you po guys. So this is our vlog. Just... So this is... So, bumili na kayo ng Graham Bar. Updated lang po kasi kami sa Graham Bar namin. Graham Bar. Nandito kasi ako sa friend kong Pretty. This is her house. Kasi sa dani yung cry. Wow, it's so yummy, guys. Look at that recipe. Adobong adobo. Agoy!
Hi guys, it's me, Kirsha. So nandito kami sa bahay ni Kriza in my love.
Ayan.
So ang ganda po namin ngayon guys kasi may lakad po kami. Makipag-dates kami sa jowa namin, Charis.
Wala pa kaming jowa. Available lang po.
Single.
Mga single but double. So, guys, please po, kasi nag-start lang po kami ng vlog and I want to be famous. Mag-vlog lang po kami and click the notification bell para updated po kayo sa aming vlog at huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, okay, sa our channel. Okay, hi guys! So,
Reveal kami guys.
I look reveal na. He is wala pa kasi ako.
Oy, ilok reveal daw oy.
Sige, bye guys! See you never. Bye guys! See you tomorrow. Bye! At huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe. Bye!